Ayan, ini-stop.
Ha!
Bumalik. Bumalik.
Nay, go help him. Go blow, blow. Go blow.
Babagsak yan si ano. No!
Nay, guard.
Margarito, sit! No, sit! Margarito, sit! Wow! Naman?
Yeah!
Oh! Wala, ang init na mukha pa eh.
Oh!
Yan! No! Sa likod! Kaya na eh.
Come on, stay one more round.
One more round na lang, sige. Wala na, panalo na yan. Wala. Lagyan ka pa, nagbayli na sila, nagbayli. Yan. Margarito yan. Yan.
Oh!
Susuntukin to, talaga.
Yeah!
Kasi, bumilis. Oh!
One more round. Oh my God, Maya's gonna win.
Kasi, alam, nagbubulis si ano, si Pacquiao. See, it works.
Oh my gosh, look at his face.
It works din ang suntok ko, no?
Oh my God, look at his eye.
Oh my god, it's like...
Ay, hala. Lalabas na.
Wait!
Oh my God, it's like his brain's gonna come out of it.
Looks like his eyebrows.
Hala.
Oh,
Oh!
And he
You
was
guys,
like,
other
I'm gonna win.
looks like his balls goes out. His balls is coming out of his
Ayun,
face.
tinira. O, see?
Oh!
11 yun, 10th round.
Whew.
Sumama ako, tinulungan ko si Pacquiao. See? Ayan, final round na eh, dali. Ayan, wala na. Yeah, I'm okay. Hipan ko ulit, hipan.
Just so the man can finish the fight.
Ano ko ginawa ng gusto?
It's 100%. I cannot defend what was good.
Go blow, Nay. Keep on
I
blowing.
know. Yan ang pangontra ko. Pacquiao na yan, ilang minuto na.
Likely just get on his back and stay
Yan,
away here.
wala, panalo na yan. Susuntok ulit ako?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it. Knock
Keep
him out.
keep it up for 2 minutes.
For 2 minutes?
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Bibigyan,
Workout, nice.
bibigyan kaya ako ng Pacquiao ngayon? Ala na wala.
Knock him out, man.
Good workout, night. That's your exercise.
Bibigyan kaya ako ng Pacquiao? Pacquiao,
Uh-oh.
tinulungan kita. I need money.